In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a photo in Photoshop. So this is very simple to do. Once you've finished, you can go up here to File. Now, there's a few different things you can do. If you press Save, that's going to save it as a Photoshop file. You don't want to do that. You can go to Export here, and you can quick export as PNG, or go Export as. Now, once you go to Export as, you're going to have a lot more settings. It's taking a couple seconds to load, I think because the file is relatively big. Now, yeah, you can see the resolution massive. Now, there's options here. Format, PNG, JPEG. Now, depending on how big you want the file, you can scale it down by a lot. Now, the resolution will go down a lot. It will probably load up here. Yeah, you can see the resolution is much worse. And also, the width and height has gone down here. There's a few different settings here, but honestly, like, these don't really matter. I'd recommend exporting things as PNG. PNGs tend to be better quality. And that's all you need to do. You need to press export here, and then you can select a path for it to export into. And then once you've done that, you go into that path and the photo will be there. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.